Hello, and a huge congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey of mastering Python programming and directed acyclic graph methodologies. Your decision to start learning and expanding your skills is truly commendable. In our next lecture, you'll be stepping up to the plate and applying your knowledge to a hands-on project. I would like you to create your very own subclass of the DAG node, tailored to work specifically with curve-based objects like NURBS curves. What we're going to call this is curve with an uppercase C, and it will sit comfortably within our curve node or curve_node module. Your task will be to design and implement the curve class to facilitate the creation and management of curves and controllers. To add depth to your class, consider integrating specific arguments such as type, shape, scale, color, offset, and parent to, so that as you're building a specific curve node, you can also build the curve automatically. So you don't need to just pass a ready-made curve, that you can also actually create a curve, maybe from a dictionary or a series of curve points that are already stored. Make sure that you incorporate functionalities that allow you to interact with the curve points and to scale the position and the shape as needed. For added complexity, consider implementing path constraint functionality. Next, remember to set up your test suite. Write a series of assertions to ensure the correct functioning of your setup, and beware of logical checks or logical errors within these checks. Once you've completed your work, feel free to send it to me. I'll be more than happy to review it and provide some constructive feedback when I get some time. When you're finished, don't forget to give yourself a huge pat on the back. Celebrate your accomplishment of writing some fantastic code and further expanding your knowledge. Remember, every small step forward counts in this journey of learning. And sharing is caring, so please don't hesitate to share this lecture with your friends who might find it beneficial. If you found some value from this course, consider leaving a review. Please be kind, and remember that this is my first series of tutorials, and I know I am not a natural speaker, lecturer, but I do feel like I had something to bring to the plate. So please feel free to leave some feedback to help me to improve, but also remember that this will help other learners to decide to take this course and if this course is right for them. And thank you again so much for your dedication, your curiosity, and your passion for learning. I'm so grateful to have been a part of your journey. And if you would like to share this journey with me and reach out and say hi, it would be lovely to hear from you. I'm always interested in speaking out to the community, and I would be more than happy to open a dialogue. And yeah, again, even add me on LinkedIn. It would be awesome to meet fellow riggers, programmers, developers. It's always awesome to have a big community around you. But anyway, please take care. And I wish you all the best for your future and all the best in your programming adventures moving forward.